Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Tony Durhammer, owner of Hammertech Race Cars, in here doing some displays for you guys. These are our new single shot nitrous cannons. So these are just 3 of the variations. We've actually got 8 new variations that we're coming out with. So you guys will easily be able to put one of our cannons on any combination that you can think of. So if you haven't yet, go to our website at hammertechracecars.com. Go to the performance parts page or the nitrous page. These are available right now to pre-order. If you pre-order yours between now and July 15th, we're going to give you 10% off. So if you use promo code USA while you're checking out, you're going to get 10% off any of the new variations of these nitrous cannons. So pre-order yours, get in line, make sure you have it because these are going to go fast. Let me tell you. So make sure you got yours pre-ordered so we can put your name on it. That way when it comes in anodized up, laser engraved, we can get it shipped out to you. So I wanted to do a video kind of showing the different variations because we've been given some pictures and some CAD files and stuff like that to kind of show you all the different ones we're making, but it's easier when it's sitting in front of you. So before we start on the nitrous cannons, let's talk about the inlet side. So we're using our MegaJet series system on all of our cannons. So if you haven't been brought up to speed on the MegaJet stuff yet, this is what it starts out as. So this is our MegaJet nozzle. This goes directly into all of our cannons, our nitrous rails. This is what we use to feed everything. So if you start out with your normal nitrous jet, you know, they go down to like 9,000ths all the way up to your 136 jets. This is what everybody runs unless they have our MegaJet series. So this is very, very common. So we made an adapter that we can use any normal nitrous jet. So it ends up looking like this, that you can drop into our nozzle body. So you can start out with your 9,000ths, go all the way up to your 136, everything tuned the way you've had it. Just bolt this on and see the difference in cooling. Once 136 is not enough, because I know you guys get addicted to nitrous really easy, then you jump up to our 3/16 MegaJet, then our 1/4 MegaJet, then our 5/16 MegaJet. This is what all the big high horsepower guys are using right now. So you can drop this in, same nozzle body, so you can go from 9,000ths all the way to 0.3125 is the orifice on this guy. So a lot of area to grow. That's what we kind of wanted when we made this stuff. We wanted to have something that somebody could bolt on. They didn't have to make 1,000 horsepower. You know, you can put this on and make 100 horsepower, 50 horsepower, and grow into that. So not have to keep buying more of these or different variations. So you buy this and you're done. You can run everything from 50 horse to, I mean, one of these 5/16 MegaJets are making 600, 750 horsepower. So when you look at the price point, all this stuff is about $1 per horsepower when you max it out. So nitrous is a very, I wouldn't say cheap option, but definitely cheaper than, you know, big compound turbos or something like that, and it's easily tunable. So that's why we dive into nitrous so hot and heavy. So let's start out with our 3-inch single V-band. So this is our 3-inch single. We've also got a 4-inch single. These use Vibrance 4-inch V-bands. So you've got male V-band, female on one side of the cannon that's O-ring sealed. Fits perfect. Then you got the female, goes on to the male. There you have it. That's the assembly of the 3-inch single. Okay, we've also got that in 4-inch, like I said. So it uses our 4-inch V-bands. And then we've also got V-bands that are adapters. So if you go from a 4-inch cannon body, we can go down to 3.5-inch CSC pipe. So we've got everything covered from 3-inch, 3.5, 4-inch tubing in steel, aluminum, and titanium now. So pretty much every option that you could think of. Now you can put this anywhere in the system. You know, you only need about 3 inches of straight section now. That's the only thing that we ever heard people complain about really on the big Canon was, you know, it takes about 8 inches of straight section, and you got to have 3.5 or 4 inch. So the V8 guys, some of them run either parallel turbos, or they have 2 CAC pipes that feed an intake. So now what they can do is they can take 2 of these, put it on each CAC pipe, and have it perfectly balanced, so that, you know, if you just had one on one side, it's going to feed half the motor harder than the other half. It's not going to disperse evenly. Where if you have both of these, you can easily tune it to be perfectly balanced. So that's the V-band to V-band. Okay, now I see a lot of guys running this guy. This is Vibrance Dual Seal HD Van Jan style, whatever you want to call it. This is the new pinless version. Pretty cool option. This is a 3-inch one. So since you guys are running some of these, we wanted to have an option for that as well. So this is our 3-inch V-band side. Okay, so it takes the same Vibrant V-band, but this side matches Vibrance HD clamp. So if you're looking for an adapter or a way to put some flexibility in your CAC pipe, this could be the adapter you're looking for. Plus you get, you know, up to 750 horsepower of nitrous. So really cool option. All of these use our 360-degree spray pattern, so you're going to get perfect disbursement of nitrous. You know, we're not just feeding it down one side. So if you put the sleeve on, their ferrule, this is what the assembly looks like when you put it all together. If I can get it all, there we go. So there you have it, okay? Gives you that flexibility, a little bit of movement. I didn't put the O-rings in just because, you know, when you put the O-rings in, it's a lot harder to get this put together for the video's sake. So that's what you would end up with, okay? Now, since we went with this style, I wanted to go one step further, okay? So if you wanted, you could have this guy. This is our GT55 to 3-inch HD, okay? So you think of, I made this flange a few years ago for GT55s and S400s that didn't have a V-band flange on them. They were just hose ends. We cut those back, weld this on, that way you end up with the V-band flange on those. So this is the same flange as GT55, S400, you know, all those. And then this matches that flange. So you can put this directly to your comp cover now. And then you can end up with the HD clamp right off your comp cover, or we've got these as well that will take the V-band. So pretty much any combination you could think of, from GT55 S400 flange to 3-inch HD, 3-inch V-band, or we've also got a 4-inch version that we can use transitions too. So we can run GT55 to 3-inch, 3.5, or 4-inch directly to the comp cover, as well as all the other options. You can do the single V-band on both sides, V-band to HD, or, you know, any combination. So we did not do one that's HD on both sides, because when you run flexibility on both ends of this, you rely on the hose to keep everything oriented. So it puts a lot of strain on the system. So we want one side mounted pretty solid, okay? You can have all the flexibility you want after that. So that's a little bit of rundown on the variations that we're coming out with. So if you got more questions, please reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you can find us, so we can get those questions answered and you can get yours pre-ordered. So make sure you go on the website and check them out and use promo code USA. And like always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.